This is a jobcost.com video tutorial on how to enter a new or edit an existing time card. In the main cabinet, go to Payroll, click on Time Card List, select the pay period for the week you are entering time cards. If you only enter the pay period and nothing else, it will pull up all time cards for the week you selected, or you can narrow the sorts by time card type, job, phase, and/or employee. Click Submit when you are done making your selections. The next screen will display a grid with the time cards for that week with the selections made on the previous screen. To create a new time card, select the blue Add button. To edit an existing time card, click on the pay period ending date next to the employee's time card you wish to make changes to. When entering or editing time card information, be sure to fill out anything with a red asterisk or the time card will not save. All other fields can be used on a per time card basis. Make sure the correct pay period is selected. Enter the employee name. Any information saved on the employee's detail will filter in. Time card type is the day of the week or other type of time card such as sick, holiday, or vacation. Start date is the date the work started. End date is the date the work was completed. If the time card goes to a job, choose the job from the drop-down along with the phase. Account is the GL account the labor is expensed to, and this account number must exist in the account labor debit list under Settings. Workers' comp, SUT payroll tax, and SWT payroll tax must be filled in. Enter the employee's hours worked. Their rate of pay should have defaulted in from the employee record. If you wish to expense a piece of equipment to a job, select the equipment from the drop-down and enter the equipment hours used on the job. Click Save when done entering time card information. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new time cards. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing time card information, and it will close the current time card tab.